This is how to make a delicious spinach artichoke dip. First, you want to boil some water and season it with salt. You want to make sure that it tastes almost like the ocean. Then dip your artichoke globes in there to cook for 30 minutes. Blanch your baby spinach, season with salt, and then chop later on. Once the artichokes are done, you want to get through the hairy bit right in the middle and remove those because those are not edible pieces. So the hairy bits you want to remove and discard. Once that's complete, you want to clean out the artichoke. You really are looking for that middle heart of the artichoke. This is the buttery center that you want. We're going to cut these in cubes and then add them to our artichoke dip. Now, since I didn't have enough artichoke globes, I actually went ahead and got myself some canned artichoke hearts, which I want to chop up just like so. And to make our dip, we want to first create a roux with 4 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour. Make sure that that's mixed in and cooked together. We want to melt the butter completely and then also just cook the flour through with it. Then we want to cook through our artichokes. We want to heat that up for a bit and mix that around. Following that, we want to add 8 cloves of minced garlic. We want to really bring out the aromatics of the garlic, so really cook that through. Then add your baby spinach that you cooked, and then also 1 cup of whole milk to mix that around. Following that, you want to add your 8 ounces of cream cheese. This is all just going to be incorporated into one giant amazing delicious dip. Here we have our 8 ounces of sour cream. Again, you want to cook and incorporate to make sure that the dip really takes on all that flavor. And then you want to add your English white cheddar, and then 6 tablespoons of mozzarella. So once that's all melted through, you want to make sure to grate some pecorino romano. This adds a nutty saltiness to the dip. And as you can see, it's nicely incorporated. So once it's all nicely incorporated and all the cheeses are melted together, find an oven-safe pan, spread that dip around so that we're ready to bake. But before we bake, we want to just top it with a little bit more pecorino romano. And of course, some mozzarella for a cheese melt on top. The mozzarella and the pecorino romano will really melt nicely to create a beautiful crust on top. Bake this for 375 for 10 minutes and broil for 3 minutes. And there you have it. Beautiful, delicious artichoke dip. Enjoy.